Want to learn how to create these types of trending videos?
In a bustling military camp on the outskirts of Rome, Marcus, a young soldier, stood amidst preparations for battle. The training grounds were alive with the clatter of swords and the pounding of feet. Although he was skilled in combat, a deep fear lingered in his heart. Marcus recently converted to Christianity.
Today we will make these videos by using Mootion. Mootion is an AI-powered video generator that makes creating videos simple and fast. With its text-to-video feature, you can turn any idea or script into a professional-looking video within minutes. You don't need expensive cameras or advanced editing skills. Mootion handles it all for you. It's highly customizable, allowing you to add your own voiceovers, music, styles, and effects to match your vision. Whether you're a business owner, educator, storyteller, or content creator, Mootion helps you bring your ideas to life effortlessly. Because it's cloud-based, you can access it anytime, anywhere, without the need for heavy software. Mootion not only saves time and money, but also makes video production accessible to everyone. It's the perfect tool to share your story, product, or message with the world in a powerful and impactful way. Alright guys, here we are at the Mootion's dashboard. Here is a clear navigation panel with a space in the middle to enter your own prompts. We can see a gallery of templates organized by content type. You will find for education, storytelling, business, and more. Each template is tailored to a specific use case, which helps you get started quickly. Let's create an educational video about the basics of machine learning using the text-to-video generator for this. I am typing a detailed prompt that outlines the core learning goals, content structure, and some style preferences. After adding the prompt, click on Generate. Now you have to wait until the result comes. Since I chose a tutorial format, is a widescreen for YouTube. Let's check out the educational video.
Machine Learning Explained, a beginner's guide. Machine learning is a fascinating field where computers are trained to learn and make decisions from data without being explicitly programmed. It's like teaching your computer to think and act like a human. In the heart of machine learning, we find data. Data is like raw material.
The director analyzed the language, selected a 3D cartoon visual tone, and built a solid scene structure. Each scene includes matching image that is auto-generated to fit the theme. Then Mootion suggested animating all the scenes, and once confirmed, it handled the entire sequence, keeping everything aligned with the script. The platform even added title and subtitle effects and choose the voiceover. You can choose any voiceover after you like. One thing really stands out is the visual consistency. Every frame shares a movie like sleek look supported by smart style transfer algorithms that gives the whole video a cohesive feel. Little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks. Now let's explore the audio to video tool. This one enables you to use a voice track and turn it into an animated piece. I'll stitch to generation creation and upload a short clip. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems. This time, folks, I want to make a vertical clip perfect for shorts using the pixel art present for something different.
Isaac, what the fuck?
The platform automatically transcribes the audio and analyzes its structure. It identifies key concept and splits the recording into logical scenes with matching visuals. You can preview or rework them if needed. There's also a new edit mode. Guys, this lets you modify each frame, delete things, swap assets, and fine-tune your scenes one by one. When you animate a particular scene, it only takes about 5 minutes. For example, we can animate this scene and add cinematic touch along with smooth professional transition. Meanwhile, everything continues to run in the background so you can work while it processes, or just hit animate all to do the whole batch in one go. About post-production, Mootion brings together both generations and editing in one unified space. You get a full suite of tools, sense effects, transitions, and music, and more. I left the AI handle most of it automatically and then launched the final generation. The output includes a finished script based on my audio selected hashtags and a nice visual summary. And here is the result, guys. Let's watch it. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting systems, networks, and data from digital attacks. Hackers often try to steal information, disrupt services, or spread malware. The basics include using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, updating software. The outcome looked pretty solid. I can download the video, thumbnail, and storyboard separately.
Isaac, what the fuck?
Now there's one gem, the templates gallery. This is a vast library of pre-built templates sorted by industries and purposes. Just pick one, hit use, and customize it to further need. The social media templates are especially helpful because they are optimized for viral formats, duration, and layouts. You can add your own content or use prompts to generate everything scratch. So guys, what's the benefit of using Mootion? In just minutes, we've created a polished video from a simple prompt, customized visuals, voiceovers and themes, and tested templates in different styles. Every element was handled automatically while still allowing for creative control. The result is high-quality media content without editing softwares. If you're looking for an easy way to bring your content alive, Mootion definitely worth trying. So don't waste your time and give a try to Mootion. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and if you did, then please like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next one.